click on the three dots in here, select Settings, select Privacy, Search and Services. Scroll all the way down to Services and then find Address Bar and Search. Click on it, and as you can see, the search engine used in the address bar is set to Bing. So click on here and select Google. Tip: if you would open a new tab and enter a search that you have searched before, then the search might still open in Bing because it uses the link from your search history. So when searching, make sure your search history is not used. And now, as you can see, when you search on the address bar in here, the search result would show in Google. If you open a new tab and search using the search box in the middle in here, then the search results would still be in Bing. To change the search box as well to Google, come back to the same settings, and here you can see the option called search on new tabs uses search box or address bar, and change this to address bar. And now if you would search using the search box or address bar, the result would be shown in Google. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please don't forget to subscribe to support my channel.